my friends. I had such fun picking random colors for a Dutch pour last month. I thought I'd do the same with a ring and ribbon pour, or at least a ring pour. I don't know that I'll do ribbons or not, but I've got an assortment of Grumbacher paints here. I really like Grumbacher. They're nicely pigmented. They mix really well with all the different mediums I've tried. So here we go. I think I'll pick 5 colors, and then I'll do ring and ribbon, or at least a ring pour on a round canvas. So, shuffling them up, and I promise you my eyes are closed. I won't see what I pick until I'm all done, so you will be the first to know. Okay, eyes are closed, and here we go. 1. I don't know what side you're looking at, so I'll turn it over. 2. 3. 4. And 5. All right, let's see what I got. Oh boy, pale pink. Let's see, and that is a transparent color. Process Magenta, semi-transparent. Thio Violet, transparent. Put them in a row. Permanent Blue Light, opaque. And Process Cyan, semi-transparent. Well, I think actually those could be quite pretty together. They'll all go well. The reds mixed with blues. I'll come up with a purple, a violet color, and the pink is okay with any of those. Okay. And I got a decent range of values as well. This will be my light value and dark and 2 mid-tones. So, interesting. All right, folks, let me mix up my paint. Get my canvas prepared, and I shall return. Okay, I am back. I've mixed my paints up. I have my window open because I am using a polycrylic mix and have to have good ventilation when I use that. But the wind is blowing today like crazy. It's about 25 miles per hour, so you can hear that. And my doors are rattling. So I hope that won't be distracting, but okay, here's the consistency. It's a little on the thick side. Do a ring and ribbon pour. I mixed the Grumbacher paints 1 part paint to 3 parts of the polycrylic mix. And as always, I put the recipe down below. And at the end of this video, I will link for you a video I made about how I mix up a big jug of this polycrylic mix. So here we go. I've arranged them in the order I want to go. I meant to look for my glass measuring cup so I could pour this with a spout, but I forgot, so oh well. Probably get 3 layers of each color out of this. Show you the pink, maybe you can see the consistency a little better. Although of all of them, the pink is maybe a little bit thinner. Different colors, even the same brand, do vary in density. I decided to use a 12 by 12 because, you know, when I pick random colors, I'm really not convinced of the success rate, and I don't want to do a big one, but it is a deep canvas, and maybe it'll be wonderful. Who knows? I am approaching 10,000 subscribers. I have another 400 to go, I think. And if you're not already a subscriber, I would encourage you to subscribe if you'd like, because I always do giveaways when I reach a milestone, and 10,000 is a pretty big one. So I will be doing a pretty good giveaway then. Probably 10 paintings. So stay tuned. One of the giveaways I know I'll be doing is my Four Seasons pour. I'm going to give that away as a set. They're just small on inexpensive canvas, but I think they're quite pretty together. But I'm done with them, so I'll pass them on. Okay, I'm going to scrape out the rest of the paint here. This is just going to be a straight pour, ring pour kind of thing. No ribbons. I could just tell by these colors that it wouldn't do anything for me to add ribbons. So, I know some of you really like ring and ribbon pours. Others of you do not. And the colors have to be just right for me to do ribbons on top. And I'm not seeing it here. Okay, one more. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to start from the side here, where they're already kind of, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I mean, I don't know how to say what I'm trying to say. They're already in lines, so it might help the interesting look. It's just mesmerizing to watch the paint come out of a cup, especially when it's thick like this. It's just fascinating, I think. Yeah, I'm going to pour it all out. No ribbons. Kind of looks patriotic at this point. For those of us in the U.S. and, well, other countries that have red, white, and blue as your flag. Come on. All right, that's about it. And I just dribbled right in the middle. It looks so pretty in there. Let me bring it down now. Oh my gosh, look at my my camera shifted. There, now it's in there. Mark that. I'll show you now while it's so pretty. It's too bad I have to disturb it, but I just love the way that looks in there. That's interesting. And I've got my lights glare there. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to hit it with a torch because I do see a lot of bubbles. No silicone added. And here we go. Remember, I chose these colors randomly. They are not colors I would normally put together, but it could have been worse, I guess. Let's go over there with that. I really like this section, so fortunately that's in the center. I'll be able to maintain that. And we go over to this corner. I love the sides of a deep canvas. I think I'm going to scrape up some of this and add to these edges so they'll flow a little better. This is what might be called a flow extender. Should kind of help this paint from rolling over on itself. That's the idea anyway. Let's see if it works. See if I have enough paint on the surface to make it work. Just take your time with it, don't rush it. So you see how that blue there, for example, is not rolling over itself, it's staying. And now I can bring it back. I don't worry about this part because well, some of it will go over the edge, but what doesn't get covered, I come back with a solid color. Fill that in. Now let's work on this other corner. I'm watching as it moves around on the surface to find out where the weight of the paint is. And if you send it back to the center, then the weight of the paint will help you reach the corner. Okay, so now I've got pretty good coverage on the canvas. Now I'll set it down and kind of size up the composition. Not bad. I like this area. I think I'd like to open this up, so I think I'll bring the weight back here. This is pretty. And move that this away. Maybe get rid of this corner, is not that great. Be nice to open this up if I could. So back to the center. And now here. Oh yeah, I'm liking that much better. Yeah, maybe I can live with that corner. I don't want to disturb parts I do like. Trying to fix something I don't. I rather like it. Somebody asked me to do this, to move it around in all different orientations, because it truly does look vastly different from different orientations. I'm not sure which I like best, but the way you're looking at it is the way I was seeing it as I worked on it, and usually that's the orientation I like best. So I kind of like it. Bring you in a little closer. Oh, I've got it out of the camera range again. There we go. Okay. So I did end up with some violet, which is fine. I like the kind of jagged edge there. Ribbony looking things in the pour. I mean, there's plenty going on in this pour. There's no need for ribbons. Oh, I like that section right there. That's fun. Okay, well there you go. That was a random color pick. We'll end with that shot. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching, and try some random color picks on your own and let me know how it goes. Thank you for joining me. Bye now.